And so just by using these 3 simple steps, I was able to grow this brand new channel to over 4,000 subscribers in my spare time. What's going on? So today I'm going to show you how you can grow on YouTube and get subscribers using 3 simple steps that virtually take no extra effort from you anyways, and you're already likely doing most of this already. So it's just a little twist on what you're already doing. And the best part is this works on any size channel. So if you're small, it's okay. This will still work. In fact, as many of you know, I have multiple YouTube channels, and this one is my newest and my smallest. And now while it is monetized and does generate me AdSense revenue, I found that I've mostly just been using this channel to test methods for growing on YouTube, so that way, if a method does work on this small channel, I know it can help my subscribers on my Gallagher channel, and so I start sharing that information. So that said, let's get started. And if you are interested in growing on YouTube, be sure to subscribe and set notifications, because I share, just as I mentioned, methods that I use on multiple channels across various niches, and so I'm always learning and sharing more. And if you want all my secrets and tools and things I don't share on YouTube, just check out the link in the description below this YouTube video, where you can find a series that I put together where you can watch over my shoulder, copy me, do everything that I do from start to finish, including how to monetize your channel with additional income other than AdSense revenue if you're not a partner yet. So again, that link is in the description if you're interested. Okay, so let's get started. So the first step is simply come up with your next video idea. Pretty easy, right? Now, while this will work in any niche, I'm going to use an example so that'll be easier to understand. So let's suppose you're in the gaming niche and you're gonna do a Fortnite video on whatever. Maybe it's just gameplay, maybe it's funny moments, doesn't matter. Whatever it is, you just plan on doing that video, just as you normally would. Here's where it's a little different for most people. Step number 2 then is to come up with your next video idea as well. So that's right, you're gonna come up with 2 videos at a time. So let's suppose you have an idea for video number 1, your next video, and it's a compilation of your funny Fortnite moment. And then let's suppose that your next video, video number 2, is gonna be how to get free V-Bucks, so that people watching your videos can learn how to get stuff on Fortnite for free. So again, video number 1, funny moments. Video number 2 is for free V-Bucks. Now all you have to do is, when you create video number 1, is to remember at the beginning of that mid video to promote video number 2. So to spell this out for you, at the beginning of your funny moments video, simply say something to the effect of, hey, real quick, if you're interested in getting free V-Bucks, be sure to subscribe and set notifications, because in my next video, I'm gonna show you how you can get 10,000 free V-Bucks. Now, if they don't subscribe and set notifications, they may miss when you drop that next video and lose out on that information. This is a powerful marketing concept referred to as fear of loss. Now, obviously, your video doesn't have to be about V-Bucks or V-Bucks related. Again, this is just an example. It could be a video you're gonna do about a new skin that people in your niche would likely be interested in. If you're in a completely different niche, if you're in the car review niche, it could be a video of a popular car they won't want to miss. If you're in the make money online niche, it could be a video you're gonna do on a brand new method for making money online. Just come up with something that people would want to see. The bottom line is, if you can't come up with content that you think people will want to see and subscribe so they don't miss out, then what are you doing on YouTube to begin with? That's the whole point of YouTube. So this will actually help you become a better YouTuber, because if you can't come up with an idea that you think people would want to see of your content anyways, then it's going to force you to look at what's trending in your niche and do that for your next video. And then continue to do this as long as you want. Continue to plan ahead so you can use that future content to prompt people to subscribe on your current content. And that way you'll use this method to force you to put out content that people would want to subscribe for in the first place. So there are your 3 simple steps. Plan your first video, plan your next video ahead of time, and prompt people to subscribe so they don't miss out on that next video. And again, force yourself to think, what content would I have to put out there to force somebody to want to subscribe? Because again, if you think, well, this won't work, no one was going to want to subscribe to my content ahead of time, then that's your problem. What are you doing on YouTube? So again, those are the 3 steps. Those are what I've done to create some channel growth very quickly on brand new channels. It just takes a few extra minutes of your time to think about another video, maybe to research a little bit ahead of time. You're going to create future videos anyways. Why not use them and leverage them to get people to subscribe to your channel currently? So let me know what you think in the comments below. With that, I'm going to wrap this up, and I'll see you in the next video.